In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive checklist in Google Sheets. Let's get straight into it. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser. Once it loads, look under the Start a New Spreadsheet section and click Blank Spreadsheet. This gives you a clean, empty grid to work with. Now we'll add the checklist title, the headers, and the tasks. Click cell A1 in the sheet grid and type the checklist title that you want to use for your list. Once that's in place, click cell A3 in the sheet grid. From here, you'll paste the checklist table that defines your headers and your tasks. Feel free to copy and paste the table from the pinned comment below the video, so you don't have to type it manually. Next, we'll insert clickable checkboxes for each task. Highlight the range from A4 all the way down to A9 so the entire task column is selected. With those cells selected, click Insert in the top menu, and then click Checkbox. You'll see a checkbox appear in every selected cell. Click any empty cell on the sheet to clear the selection. Now we'll build a live progress summary that updates as you check things off. Click cell D3 in the sheet grid and type the progress label that describes this section. Then click cell D4 in the sheet grid and type the progress text formula. Again, you can copy and paste this formula straight from the pinned comment to save time. This formula counts how many checkboxes are checked in cells A4 through A9, divides that by the total number of tasks listed in cells B4 through B9, converts the result into a percentage, and adds the word complete at the end. Once it's in, press Enter to confirm it. After that, click cell D5 in the sheet grid and type the progress bar formula, which you can also grab from the pinned comment. This formula creates a progress bar using two values, the number of checked tasks and the number of remaining tasks. The sparkline formula displays the completed section in green and the remaining section in gray, and the maximum value is based on the total number of tasks in column B. Press Enter to lock the formula in place. Now we're going to make completed tasks strike through automatically. Select the range from A4 through B9 so both the checkboxes and the task names are highlighted. Click Format in the top menu, and then click Conditional Formatting. The Conditional Format Rules panel will open on the right. Click the Format cells of drop-down, and from the list of options, click Custom Formula Is. Click into the Value or Formula field and type the custom formula provided in the pinned comment below. This formula checks whether the checkbox in column A is checked. If the checkbox returns true, the formatting rule will apply to that entire row. Scroll down to the Formatting Style section and click the Strike Through option. Once that's set, click Done to save the rule. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's test the interactive checklist to make sure everything is wired up correctly. Click the checkbox in cell A4 to mark the first task as complete. Then click the checkbox in cell A6 to mark another task as done. Look over at the progress text in cell D4 and the progress bar in cell D5, and you'll see both update to reflect the new completion status. Confirm that the completed tasks are now struck through in rows 4 and 6, showing the conditional formatting is working as expected. Finally, click the checkbox in cell A4 once more to uncheck it, and confirm that the progress count and the strike-through formatting both update automatically. And that's the result. The spreadsheet now works as a fully interactive checklist. Each task has its own clickable checkbox. The progress text and the progress bar update live whenever boxes are checked or unchecked, and completed task rows are struck through automatically through the conditional formatting rule you created. You now have a clean, dynamic checklist built entirely inside Google Sheets, ready to track any set of tasks you want to manage.